Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 143 scale video. And in today's video, we have this very nice looking car called the Opel Super 6. And yeah, nice little convertible. This is something a little bit more different than usually I do on the channel. This car was made from 1937 till 1938. Its top speed is 115 kilometers per hour. It has 55 horsepower or 40 kilowatts, and it can go from 0 to 100 in 35 seconds. So it is a pretty small and light car. So let's get it out from this. I did loosen up that triangle screw. That is extremely annoying. I've talked about it almost in every video when I have to deal with it. Can I do it like this? No. I'm just using a flat screwdriver to get my way through it to it. But yeah, okay, here we go. This model looking very nice. We have like lensed headlights. The back ones are painted because they're on part of the back bumper. We have this spare tire, which is rubber. We have the the soft top, which is plastic piece. It's a separate piece. We have the full couch. There's the single seat. There's a trunk. Sometimes these back trunks are also like back seats, but I'm always wondering like how do you get in there? Like at the first, like how do you climb on the car and just damage the paint or something? I don't know. This is an interesting design idea somebody had. Some tire flashing, which I'll just remove at some point. I have some little tire issue right there, like the white wall, slightly the color has come off. The other side looks fine. It's interesting how the base was. I think it was red before or something. I don't know. It looks weird. Like it was black or it was red and then it was painted again or something. I know, it's weird how that happened. It's probably because the fenders are plastic and the body is metal. So yeah, not too heavy and not a cheap model. I mean, not a expensive model. So can't expect too much from this. Super like pizza cutter style wheels. Looks like we're gonna have a bit of a wobble going on the fronts. The hubcap is a bit weird. Okay, there we go. Push those together and now it's a bit nicer. Now let's have a roll test. Yeah, well, the front wheel is a bit wobbly, but they were not meant to play with these anyway, so yeah, there is a bit of a funkiness going on with the front tire. But like I said, they're not meant to be played. I'm going to be displaying these anyway. So yeah, pretty nice. Nothing too crazy. Like for the price point I got these, like this. Oh, this is very nice. So yeah, I personally liked it. I hope you liked it. And like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.